This is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make some really easy and delicious turkey meatballs with Parmesan cheese. The preparation time and the cooking time combined is going to be less than 40 minutes, so I hope you like them. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, we will combine the ground meat together with the breadcrumbs and also add in the chopped onion and the chopped parsley. Season this with the Parmesan cheese and also add in black pepper to taste and salt to taste. Just add a pinch of salt because the Parmesan cheese is already salty, so don't go crazy with the salt. To this we will also add in 1 egg, then toast everything together until everything is well combined. You want all the ingredients to be well incorporated. And then after that you can make the meatballs. And you can make them any size that you want. Just grab some of the meat mixture and form it with your hands. Just roll it until you get a nice and round meatball. Once they are all ready, let them rest for about 10 minutes before cooking them, just so the meat can absorb all the flavors that you added to it. After 10 minutes, now we're going to place the meatballs in a baking sheet, and I spray my baking sheet with cooking spray. Now we're going to bake the meatballs at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, or until they are well cooked and golden brown on all sides. And this is how they look once they are ready. Now you can serve them. They do make a delicious appetizer. Just serve them with your favorite tomato sauce and sprinkle them with fresh parsley and also add more Parmesan cheese. If you prefer, you can also serve them with your favorite spaghetti recipe. Stay tuned for my next video. I will show you how to make this delicious spaghetti in tomato and mushroom sauce. The meatballs and the spaghetti go great together. So stay tuned, I'll show you how to do it next time. Enjoy! To print this and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest, and everywhere. So all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!